In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get uTorrent trackers. We'll walk through how to add trackers inside the uTorrent app so your chosen torrent can discover more peers. Trackers coordinate connections. When used properly and for lawful content, they can improve availability and speed. Please only use torrents for files you own or are licensed to share and download. Start by opening uTorrent. On the left side of the app, you'll see a navigation panel. Click the Torrents section so you're looking at your list of active, paused, or completed items. This view makes it easy to pick the exact torrent you want to work with. Now choose the specific torrent you want to update. Click it once to highlight it in the main list. Look toward the bottom of the uTorrent window for the Details pane. If you don't see it, hover near the bottom edge of the window and drag the divider up until the details appear. This pane shows tabs like General, Trackers, Peers, and Files, which is where you'll manage the tracker settings. Click the Trackers tab at the bottom. This tab lists any trackers already associated with the selected torrent, along with their status and statistics. It's normal to see a mix of HTTP, HTTPS, and UDP trackers here. Inside the trackers list, right-click to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Add Tracker. A small dialog will open where you can paste or type the tracker addresses. Paste or type your trackers into the box, placing each tracker URL on its own line. Keep the formatting clean, no extra spaces before or after the URL, and avoid duplicates. Common formats include http//https// and UDP. Only add trackers from trusted, legitimate sources. And remember that more isn't always better. A concise list of reliable trackers is usually more effective than a very long one. While you're in this dialog, you'll also notice additional options like bandwidth settings, seeding goals, and other preferences. Bandwidth controls can cap upload or download rates for this torrent, which helps if you want to keep other online activity running smoothly. Seeding goals let you set a target ratio or time so the torrent stops or changes behavior after meeting your chosen threshold. These are optional tweaks, but they're useful for managing resources and staying considerate to others on your network. When you're satisfied, click OK to save your changes. uTorrent will begin contacting the new trackers right away. You'll see their status update in the Trackers tab, working, updating, or error over the next minute or two. If the torrent is healthy, you may notice more peers and steadier speeds, and that's all there is to it.